It's Laboy Day! 3 days Laboy. Siyempre with jowa. Mabait ako ngayong araw na i-touch. Isasama ko kayo. Naiinis na ang aking jowa sa akin. Wala na raw ako katigil-tigil sa paggawa ng hikaw. Hindi na ako lumalabas ng mansyon. Kaya, bilang parusa, pasensya na, cellphone yun tumunog. Bilang parusa, 3 araw niya akong ilalabas. At syempre, teka lang, nauutal talaga. Hindi na sanay sa pagbablog. Suot ko yung aking ginawang earrings. Diba? Think! Vamos! Magbihis na. Tayo'y lalarga na. Rest stop. Hindi na kaya. Baka pumutok na ang aming panubigan. Pero malapit na kami. Let's go, Pogi. Pogi, what happened? Huh? You did a terrible job?
Terrible job cleaning the windows. Forgot the Windex.
Nilinis niya yan kahapon. Ang tagal-tagal niya sa labas. Naglinis daw siya ng kotse. Kaya ngayon naglilinis na naman. Let's go. Puputok na ang aking panubigan. Maaga pa para mag-check-in sa hotel, kaya i-check out daw muna ni Jowa ang museum na i-attach. Tingnan nyo. Ayan. Papasukin namin yung museum. At syempre, kasama kayo. Pag nag-check out ang yung Diyosa, kasama kayo. Diba?
It'll be outside the roundhouse on platform 2.
Oh, that train. See. This went to that train. It's big. Yeah, and it looks like.
Oh, look at that. Magbabathroom daw muna ang aking jowa. Talaga naman siya, oo. Ang gaganda ng mga train. Kaya niya, no? Ohio. Cute. Ganda talaga nila. Antique. Oh, look at that. Cute. Ang daming bata. Ay, nako. Ang hirap mag-vlog pag maraming bata. Diba? Nawawala na ang aking jowa. Ayun, naku po. Palabas na siya. Look. And this one. Oh, diba?
We had the baby before.
Yeah.
No, I'm trying to see where we're going to get the train ride.
Train ride? Sasakay kami sa train.
So,
Oh my God, look at that. Amazing! Papasok kami sa loob ng Royal Blue Line. Sorry naman, nagkamali. Line, not lane.
Can we please now go?
Yeah, let's go.
No, I want to go back.
Oh, wow.
Look inside this.
segregated. This is a segregated car.
Oh my God. White section.
Mom, Mom.
More? Okay, look over here.
para sa white section. What is that?
Mayo.
Oh, look at the males. Yeah. Toot toot. My love, drive it. Oh, wow. Amazing. Oh, my Lord. Na-preserve nila ito. Kakaiba. My love, tell me the story. Come on. What can you say?
He brought in 1841. He brought a first-class ticket.
Oh, his name is?
So the conductor, Frederick Douglass. So when a conductor demanded he sit in the second class, reserved for African Americans, he refused because he had a first-class ticket.
Oh.
So two brakemen tried to remove him by force, and a fight soon broke out between the two cars. That was in Massachusetts.
Where he staying at school? That's a train ride. Diyan kami sasakay.
It's over here, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Sakay na kami sa train ni Jowa. Ma-experience man lang. Daming tao.
Look at that Look, CSX. Look, back
Reminds me of all those train rides I used to take from Bandleader to Newark.
Bye-bye. Baba. Baba. Thank you so much. You got tired. It's okay.
Thanks for coming.
Magbatag lang muna sa kuya na lang. Ito ako na. Let's go. Ang sakit ng tenga ko sa mga tilian ng mga bata. Ay, nako. Masaya na. What can you say, my love? What can you say? My eardrum is... Nabasag yung eardrum ko. Sigawan ng sigawan yung mga bata.
You don't know how to win.
How about you? What happened?
I couldn't hear the recording. Too much screaming.
Oh.
Too many kids.
Kaming bata. Whew. Pero enjoy.
Really fun.
You hear the wheels? They're squeaking.
Nag-enjoy yung aking anak ko. Cool! You like it? Huh?
Interesting.
Interesting daw. Interesting nga naman. My love! Hello? Yan ang sasakyan namin pa uwi. Where are we going now, my love?
To the car. I think there's some exhibits here.
Nagugutom na attach. Kakain muna kami ng lunch. Yes, meron kaming baon. Walang gastos tong laboy na attach.
Because there's things normally up there. There's these little statues that you can take pictures with.
They didn't add that. Oh, yes, they did. They added.
The guy really does great work, doesn't he?
Yeah, it's amazing.
And see, there's not really a train around here, but he incorporated this as part of it. There's the Bromo Seltzer Tower. Matheson Building.
Wait, I thought there was the Camping station. There's a train there.
Pardon?
There's a train at the Camping station.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, on the other side.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Boy, these buildings are incredible.
Yeah.
Camden yun. Nakapasok na ako dyan.
We saw this boat. We saw this ship take off
Yeah.
over there by the marina. Remember this song?
Yes. Sabi ko kakain muna kami. Nung makita niya to, mamaya na raw. Ano ba yan? Enjoy? Interesting? Huh? What can you say? Are you having fun?
Yes, Springer. Yes.
Ay nako, ayaw niya talagang tumigil. Meron pang isa. Oh my God. Look at that.
Beautiful models.
Yeah. Oh nako.
Yeah. You said let's go to this.
I think this one is super cool. I love how they did this cutaway so that you can see inside it. You can put that on your headbands.
Wow, this is cool.
Look, I got 3 parts lined up at the same time.
Talking about the steam generator, a truck. That's what they call it. Parts on the bottom. All these things have to work together. See that? That's all these things have to work together to get the train to run. Look at that. It says they were built for mining. First steam locomotives were built for mining. Magnets.
The best. Break time! Salad for me. Jowa, tuna sandwich. To see is to believe. Ay, nako. Akin, cucumber, tomato, and shredded chicken with spinach. Ay, bongga. Mga laboy eh. Good! Nasa park kami. Kalimutan ko anong pangalan. What is the name of the park? Patatsko?
Something like that.
Pagkatapos namin galugari ng museum, park naman.
Water.
Ang daming bata. Pagkatapos kumain, mag-walking. Titingnan namin kung maganda tong park na i-attach. $2 ang parking. Ang daming tao. Mahirap mag-vlog, maraming bata. Nahihirapan ako mag-edit. Ang lawak ng park. Tingnan nyo. Kada station merong people.
People in the water.
Sabi ni Jowa, may tubig daw. May river daw. Ay, tama nga.
Oh, the river is a stream.
Oh, stream. Kita nyo, mali pa ako. Hindi river, stream. Hindi kami makalakad ng malayo-layo kasi hindi siya nag-spray ng mosquito repellent. Lab na lab siya ng mosquito eh.
Let me take a bath. Okay?
Ang linaw ng tubig, oh. Parang gusto kong maligo.
Over there is deeper.
Really?
Yeah, look. Look at the deep water. It's up to here.
Yeah, more deeper. Hi, finally. Turn on the light. Hotel na kami. Ay, nako. Maganda, in fairness. At malaki ang television. Hi. Hindi na ito yung teka lang, mali. Lagi kaming teka lang, napapagod ako. Aumanhen. Ibang hotel na attach. Hindi na ito yung lagi naming nirerentahan ng aking jowa. Kung mayaman kami dati, mas lalong mayaman kami ngayon. Yes. Ay, nako. Ooh. What is the name of the hotel? Residency Inn? Dati, lagi kaming sa nakalimutan ko. Panoorin nyo na lang yung luma kong video. Pagod kasi ako eh. Hindi ko maalaala. Tapos, binuksan pa ni Jowa yung aircon. Lalo na. Ay, nako. Ay, nako. Ako'y mag-unpack. At, meron pa kaming luggage sa baba. Tutulungan ko ang aking jowa. Yes, at ako'y maliligo. Thanks for watching!